Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check Android version and update Google Play services so the app meets basic requirements. Next, verify the device isn't rooted or running an unsupported ROM because Google Pay blocks modified systems. If it is, restore stock firmware or use a supported user profile. Once done, enable NFC and location services and reconnect to a reliable Wi-Fi or mobile network. These are required for tap-to-pay and remote verification. Now you handle app and account level issues. Clear Google Pay cache and storage, then reopen the app to force a fresh setup. This removes stale tokens and configuration errors. Make sure the Google account and Play Store region match your payment profile because mismatched regions cause device blocks. Disable any VPN or proxy and grant Google Pay required permissions like location and NFC. These steps let the app verify device integrity and complete card provisioning. Finally, move to advanced remedies. Try opting into Google Play Services beta or roll back to a previous stable update if the problem started after an update, because service mismatches can disable payments. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after a full backup to remove deep system modifications. If you still can't use Google Pay, contact your bank and Google Play support together so they can verify device/account blocks. And if that fails, request escalation with device logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.